Hey everyone, welcome back to Yes Foodies. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel Yes Foodies and press the bell icon to get notified. Do check the description box for the previous videos links. So today I'm making one very useful recipe, which is recipes with leftover rice. So I'm making masala rice and egg fried rice with the leftover rice. So now starting with the recipe, I'm going to add a tablespoon of vegetable oil or normal oil, whatever oil you use at home. To that I'm going to add some mustard seeds. Let that splutter for some time. After that I'm going to add a teaspoon each of green chilies and garlic finely chopped, and I'm going to cook them for about 30 seconds. After this is cooked, I'm going to add some thinly sliced onions into it and saute it for about a minute. Once the onions are sauteed, I'm going to add some salt, mix it, and next I'm going to add 1 cup of leftover rice. You can cook this rice immediately also, but this is the leftover rice. I've added 1 cup of leftover rice. To this I'm going to add the important ingredient, which is sabzi masala. If you have some chicken masala or paneer masala, anything lying at home, go ahead and put 1 tablespoon of that into the rice. I'm going to quickly stir it. Next I'm going to put some finely chopped coriander. Give it a quick mix and our rice is ready. So I'm quickly moving on to the next recipe. I have taken 1 cup of leftover rice. To that I'm adding some salt, that is according to the taste, as much or as less you want. And next I'm going to go ahead and add 1 raw egg to the rice, and I'm going to quickly mix it and then move on to the next step. Now taking a karai, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil, regular oil. To that I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of finely chopped garlic and saute it for like about 10 to 15 seconds. Next I'm going to add some thinly sliced onions. You can use the pulp of a spring onion also. I was not having that at home, so I'm using normal onions. Now once the onions are finely sauteed, to this I'm going to add the egg and the rice mixture which I have made earlier. Now I'm going to quickly mix it together and keep stirring it until the egg cooks finely. This is going to take about 1 or 2 minutes, and keep the heat at a medium and keep stirring the rice. As you can see, the rice is cooked. To this I'm going to add some white pepper. Give it a quick mix and our rice is ready. This is so easy to make and in no time. And the rice recipes are ready in no time. Do try these recipes at home and let me know. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.